Open the Locator program by clicking on the Windows Start button, typing Locator, and clicking on the Locator icon. When the wizard appears, click on the left icon to use a Polhemus device. Then verify that you place the source and the motion correction receiver as required and click OK. Then click the left icon to use the Polhemus device to digitize electrode locations. In the dialog that appears, select a 2D guiding probe from the top list and select the digitizing sequence from the bottom list. Then click OK.
Nasion.
The software will read the names of the required fiducial points, followed by the names of the
LPA.
electrode sites. Sites needing to be digitized will be displayed as red dots on the
RPA.
3D head image, and sites that have been digitized will be displayed as green dots. If you make an error, you can back up by clicking the undo icon on the lower right side of the screen. The 3D coordinates of the electrodes relative to a frame defined by the fiducials will be recorded as you go. When the last electrode site has been digitized, a dialog will be displayed and an audio prompt will be played. Click OK
TP9.
to close the dialog and click Stop at the lower right side of the screen to
TP10.
complete the digitization procedure.
All points in the sequence have been digitized. Click Stop to save the results.
Then you can use the navigation icons at the bottom of the screen to visualize the result. When you're ready to save the result, click File, Save Probe As, navigate to the location in which you want to save the probe file, provide a name, and click OK.